We begin tonight with a story you will only see on WJCL 22 News. The attorney for Taekwon Bowman, better known as Quando Rondo, is speaking out after the district attorney's office filed a motion to have the famous Savannah rapper banned pending trial from Chatham County. The filing claims he was the target of a number of shootings, including this one 10 days ago on Skidaway Road. And because of those shootings, prosecutors say Bowman's presence poses a danger to the citizens of Chatham County. But Bowman's attorney and family vehemently deny that claim. This afternoon, I sat down with attorney Kimberly Copeland and Bowman's great aunt to get their side of the story.
Mr. Bowman is a resident of Chatham County. He was born in Chatham County. There's no reason that he should be banned from Chatham County.
Attorney Kimberly Copeland speaking out after the state filed a motion to ban Taekwon Bowman from Chatham County.
If Mr. Bowman was the actual target, wherever he's at, he'll be a target. So the best place for him to be is in his surrounding that he's familiar with, where he have his support and family support.
Friday's court filings say the September 20th shooting on Skidaway Road, a May 2021 shooting in Blackshear, and the August 2022 murder of Bowman's friend in Los Angeles show Bowman is a target and that his presence in Chatham, quote, poses a significant risk to members of our community.
If the state was really concerned if Mr. Bowman was actually a target, they should be trying to get him security. I've never seen what a victim is. If he was the target, he would have been a victim in this situation. Why would he be punished?
Copeland says neither she nor Bowman were contacted by the district attorney or police after the September 20th incident.
We uplifting him.
Alfreda Brown, Bowman's great aunt, says it's faith and family that have kept him strong since being accused of violating Georgia's Street Gang Terrorism Act.
With them trying to get him out of Savannah, it's not right. I don't see what he did. He ain't shot nobody, he ain't bothered nobody. He be with his family. What he did.
The DA's argument in that motion is essentially that, having him in Chatham County is too much of a threat for the community. So I wonder, for you, his great aunt, are you ever scared when you're around him for other people?
No, they ain't took Paula Dean away from Savannah. She is a celebrity. He is young and he's black, and he's being successful. That's what that is.
Despite it all, Brown and the rest of Bowman's family say they'll always stand with him. Always.
We love him, and we're going to support him. He's supporting us, and we love him. We family.
Now, we should note that Taekwon Bowman was present for our conversations today, but elected to not speak on camera. Be sure to tune in to WJCL 22 News after Monday Night Football for part 2 of my story. You'll hear more about what Bowman's attorney has to say about the charges against him and what inspired Bowman outside of the studio. That's Monday night after the game right here on WJCL 22.